Hello, friends. Welcome back to English Elevator, the podcast that lifts your English step by step. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Liza. In today's episode, we're going to talk about a very important topic, money. We all use money every day, but how do you talk about it in English?
We'll teach you how to use money words like cost, price, and spend. Ask about prices and shopping. Talk about saving, earning, and budgeting, and have a full conversation about money. Let's get started.
Let's begin with some useful money words.
Repeat after us. Money, price, cost, spend, save, earn, buy, sell, pay, change.
Here are some examples. How much does this cost? I don't want to spend too much. I'm trying to save money. I earn $300 a week. Can I pay by card?
Now, let's talk about asking and giving prices.
You can ask, how much is this? How much does it cost? What's the price?
And you can say, it's $5. It costs 10 euros. That's too expensive. It's cheap.
Let's do a quick role play. Excuse me, how much is this t-shirt?
It's $25.
That's a bit expensive. Do you have a cheaper one? Let's focus on verbs. These are very important when talking about money. Common phrases. I spend too much on clothes. I want to save money for a trip. I earn money by working part-time. I bought a new phone yesterday. I paid with my credit card.
Here's a tip. Spend equals give money. Save equals keep money. Earn equals get money. Let's repeat. I spend money on food. I save money every week. I earn money from my job. Here are some easy expressions people use when talking about money. I'm broke equals I have no money. It's not worth the money equals it's too expensive for what it is. Money doesn't grow on trees equals don't waste money. I'm on a budget equals I'm trying not to spend too much. That's a good deal equals it's cheap or worth it.
Example.
I want to buy that phone.
It's $800. That's too much. Remember, money doesn't grow on trees. Now let's have a longer conversation about money, just like two friends talking.
Hey, Liza, do you like shopping?
Honestly, yes, but I try not to spend too much.
Same here. I'm trying to save money these days.
What are you saving for?
I want to travel next summer, maybe Turkey or Thailand.
Nice. I'm saving for a laptop. My old one is very slow.
Do you work part-time?
Yes. I teach English online. I earn about $150 a week.
That's great. I do freelance graphic design.
Do you have a budget?
Yes. I write down what I earn and what I spend every week.
Smart. I use an app to track my spending.
Now, it's your turn. Repeat these phrases. How much does it cost? I'm saving money. I earn money by teaching. This is too expensive. I'm on a budget. Now think.
What do you spend money on? Do you save money every month? What's something expensive you want to buy?
Today, you learned how to talk about money, prices, spending, saving, and real-life conversations.
Your homework. Write 3 sentences about your money habits. Example. I save $5 every week. I spend too much on snacks.
Thank you for learning with us on English Elevator. Don't forget to practice and share this episode with a friend.
We'll see you in episode 12. Bye for now.